Hey y'all, so I look greasy because I just put Vaseline on my face. Is this zoomed in? Feels like it. I'm exhausted. I basically died on Sunday. I had a liquid edible and I was not able to function. Couldn't move, couldn't do anything. I was stuck. So this is why today's Tuesday. Ooh, the lighting is terrible over here. It's Tuesday and you're seeing me now. So yeah, I kind of recovered. I gotta go run some errands before I move. I gotta return some stuff. I gotta go to the Container Store. And oh, I'm making tacos tonight since it's Tuesday. So I'll probably record how I make my tacos because it's kind of interesting. But yeah, I'm like in a daze right now. I need to figure out my Starbucks. I'm tired. Okay. So I'll see y'all probably when I'm gonna look around Macy's just to see what they have. My brows look dark. Couldn't find the right brow brush. That's how I feel. Why you got that mask on? I'm not what? I'm doing whatever I want. Because it's my vlog. I feel like I look like a mom right now with this shirt on. You have all your shirts have this like button collar thing right here. Like that. I look better with a button or Get my Starbucks, woman.
Did you like? Who are you punching?
What are you punching?
Superman? Iron Man? Who? You look so cute, Jazzy. You got so big.
He's annoyed.
You know where we're going?
He's touching them.
Yes.
Where?
To the like fireplace where my dad is.
Yeah.
To the fireplace where my
You
dad
know why?
Yes.
Why?
Because he's like he's getting like smarted because
He's like,
Getting
yeah.
promoted. He's gonna be a.
don't record me again.
I'm recording you as much as I want. I own you. Don't break my camera now. Don't do that.
Then
You
stop
can't.
recording me.
You
Then
can't
stop
afford
recording.
it.
Let's stop recording.
Nope. I do what I want. I own you. You are my kid. All right, we're not gonna do that here. We're not gonna act up here, okay? We can do that when we get back in the car. Not in front of white people.
See, I'm unboxing.
Yeah, I know you're unboxing, but you'll still never beat me because you're little. Not here.
I can't
Keep walking. You are. Pull that. Get that chair. Pull it over here.
Not a baby.
Your dad.
Baby.
Hi.
Baby.
Hey. Daddy.
What's up, Ruby?
Oh, now you're acting all nice. You're just punching me.
What else new format?
This is the I should have.
Why are you being annoying? Tell the camera why you're being annoying and trying to. Don't break my camera for real. It cost me $700. You have $700? Let me see it.
I have more than 700.
So let me see it.
It's at home.
Yeah, so you don't have it.
Yes, I do.
No, it's at home.
I have loads of scent, so.
Open your eye. You have crust in your eye. Don't break my camera because you can't afford it.
Yes, I can.
Look how his eyebrows sit up, Mom. So do you want to tell the camera who you are?
No, because you're gonna watch the video.
Are you going to watch it?
No, you are gonna watch
No, I'm recording it.
it. No, but you're gonna watch it. I don't trust you. You're gonna watch it.
I don't watch my own videos. I upload them to YouTube.
I don't know where to go.
Nobody's up there yet. I know you're hot that thing.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Justin, stop it. You're going to break it. Look.
Like in the Army, how they have the winter supply and the summer. In the military, they have the winter and the summer
Okay, we're going to get started in about 5 minutes. We don't have enough chairs for everyone. We need to socially distance. Do your best with the ceremony.
Sit on my lap. They don't have a lot of chairs. They need to be crowded people.
So if you can all just kind of get in front of them.
Watch out. Shh, shh, shh. Just wait. No. Okay, but you have to hold. Okay, you have to hold it up high so you can see them all. You can't go for closer.
Closer?
Go closer.
No, we're gonna
Thank you all.
Oh, sorry.
What's up, buddy?
Justin, turn your face. Oh, that's nice. Got it.
Bunch of them. Me too.
Okay, don't forget to
Yeah. You gotta get down. You gotta go to work. Work.
Back to work. I'm working today.
He's like, I'm back. I'm proud of you, David.
Me too. We're all so proud. We're gonna Mom and Dad say a prayer for Mom and Dad.
You're coming with me.
Yeah, you're going.
You're going back home.
Yeah, to work.
You gotta go back with your mom.
Because you gotta go to school.
School today.
Yeah, how was school? We started school yesterday. Thank you. You gotta behave, man. You can't be acting up.
Today you get to be Lieutenant Dave
That's crazy.
July 1st.
with the responsibility.
This was just a ceremony.
Yeah, this is just the
He's like, I've been that. Don't get it twisted.
Oh, I'm gonna race you to the car.
I can't run. My feet are swollen, remember?
Yeah, because I never got down there to get my new Justin.
Justin.
I never got down there to get my uniform.
Okay. My camera is dirty. Still dirty. Put my mask on it. There we go. Hey, so what's today? Damn. I don't like when people pull up on me when I'm vlogging because I feel weird. But it's Thursday. My neck looks short. I have to run into Ulta and pick up my order. Then go to Walmart. And that might be it. I'm about to make some mac and cheese tonight because we're going on a boat early in the morning tomorrow, so we have food. I need to do something with this nasty hair. Maybe just straighten it, I don't know. And yeah, figure out something for dinner tonight. Oh, I gotta get boxes. I gotta start packing soon. So I'm gonna start packing probably today. My face is breaking out bad. Yeah, I'll probably start that today. And I'll show you guys all the stuff I've bought so far. Because, yeah, I'm tired. I have a headache. Alright, I'll see you guys probably in Walmart. Not in Ulta. I'm just picking up what I already paid for. So where we going? We going on a boat?
We going on a boat. I'm not gonna curse because it's your YouTube channel.
Who cares? I curse.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll curse later.
Wait, I'm biking it off.
Bruh, that's a death sentence. Ain't no way. Yeah.
Oh, do I have my... Oh, yeah, it's
YouTube coming soon.
coming soon.
I mean, like, new upload coming soon. Oh, man. Boat things, you feel me?
I can't even see what we're looking at because it's so damn bright.
Wow, I don't have a case on my phone. I'm on some nut shit.
Ew, the murky. Ew. See, that girl who jumped in this river was bugging. She lost her mind. She was on coke. And there's like rafts. Look at those floaties. Ew. They look gross. That shit look dirty. They're gonna say, "Where'd you guys go? Where'd y'all go?" It is? Oh, this is cute! Oh, look at, they got Lysol and hand sanitizer.
So when you get on the boat, I'll get that for you.
Oh, you sure?
Absolutely.
Oh,
Be careful getting on, and then we have to put your shoes in
the buck in the bin. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
My balance is not that great.
Yeah, don't overthink it. It's not that hard.
Yeah, that's it. I did that so quick. I've done it before. Like, whoa, I'm gonna
You start thinking you're wobbling and you're
Right.
fine.
Thank you so much for carrying.
Oh, no worries. Woo! Where's my cellular device? Oh, she didn't even text me back, so.
Who?
My boss.
Oh.
She did not text me back.
It's gonna be very
My
windy.
captain's credentials I like to show you for the trip, just so
So we know.
I believe you're a captain.
that you know that I have a captain. It looks like a passport.
So we have a cool. That's what you don't step on now.
Wait, this is a trim. Oh, those?
That's nice.
Woo!
We're good with that mask, obviously.
Yeah. Word. Word, you feel me?
Woo! Alright.
I'm excited.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, that was so. This is more convenient. We all walk around like that.
Right?
It's kind of windy. all them flags, that was ugly. Listen. Yeah, wait, it's American, it's Brazilian. No, I'm looking through my viewfinder on my camera.
Why did he have so many flags?
Yeah, but he's got like 15 American flags. Oh, he's got another Trump. So we're in New York. We made one wrong turn. No, I gotta get this on my story too. We made one wrong turn. Bro, we can't turn around. Yo. We can't turn around. No, I gotta get this on my story too. How do I? Oh my God. That is so pretty, and this one's a really pretty red one. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of them. Like, when I say a lot, this is orange, purple, tan.
Oh, that's cool.
And they're black. They're black. I love it. No, they're not black. They're Spanish. Oh no. It says the. Well, hey y'all, so I didn't tell you what I'm doing today. So today is Saturday, and I'm headed to Atlantic City to see my friend Jade. She was my old roommate at Howard. Let me put this down because I think there's a cop. I'm going to see her because she's here visiting, and I'm gonna go get to meet her daughter for the first time. She just turned 6 months. Six months. Wow, I can't speak. Yeah, I'm just running down here really quick. Like, it's a 2-hour drive from my house. Trying to get to her by 1, and then I'm trying to be back on the road by 3 o'clock because I have to go pack. Like, I have so much going on. But I did want to see them before they left because I will not have the time to go to DC before I move, which is in like a week and a half. Really? So I move in not next Saturday, but the Saturday after, but I have to leave on Friday. So I don't really have that much time. I have less than 2 weeks to really do everything. So yeah, I'm headed down there right now. And then I think we're just gonna go out to eat real quick and then be back on the road home. And then when I get home, I'm gonna start packing, and you guys will see that. And then tomorrow is one more day of the vlog, right? I do it till Sundays usually. I usually restart on Mondays. So yeah, tomorrow I'm just gonna go to BJ's and excuse me. I'm gonna go to BJ's and start like getting things. I'm gonna need K-cups for my coffee maker. Oh, so y'all, so So K-cups, well, Keurigs are so expensive. Like the little tiny ones that only do 1 cup at a time, they're like $70, $80. But I got this Hamilton Beach or Black & Decker coffee maker that makes a pot, or you can use the single side for K-cups. And that whole thing only cost me $80 from Walmart, which is really good. So I gotta get some K-cups for that. I just wanna stock up on like pantry items. I want to stock up on seasonings, flour, sugar, pasta, rice, because I'm gonna be honest with y'all, once my mom leaves, I don't want to go grocery shopping again. Unless I need some meat or some vegetables, that's it. I'm not trying to be grocery shopping all the time. I want to have everything I need to last me until at least November. Oh, I'm tired. Y'all can see it in my face, but yeah. So I'm on my way. I should be to my, well, I gotta go to my uncle's house first. I should be there in like 10-15 minutes, and then I'll see my friend in about 30 minutes. So I'll check back in with y'all when I get to see Jade and Alana. It's so funny.
I don't want
Hey!
it all locked up.
Hey! And I was gonna have Lay come. I was like, I'm not going to Brooklyn to get her.
Oh, she in New York right now? So
Yeah.
when's she moving?
She moves the 22nd.
And you moved
The 26th.
That's lit. I didn't know her girlfriend did tattoos, I swear.
As soon as I move, I'm getting a tattoo.
I wanted to.
Y'all ain't never seen Jade on my vlog. Oh, we should move out the way. Look at,
I love the vlog. Okay, I need one.
she got a whole baby now.
Mom life, mom life.
Alana's looking around like, where are we? I'm used to DC.
See, where are we at? See, where are we?
She's like, no,
She's so
seriously.
unbothered.
She's like, no, seriously.
Hey! Hey! No, you can't get out. You can't get out. You're trying to get out, but you can't. You think you're grown.
She really do.
You think you're grown, but you are a baby. Alana,
Does she know her name yet?
Yeah.
You're a baby.
ooh, that's the same thing my second we parked next
That's why we gotta get her some pants. They got baby stores around here.
Probably something.
Alana! Alana!
Well, I'm 24.
Alana!
But yeah, my mom never put me on her insurance.
Is this your foot? Is this your foot? Is this your foot? Is this your foot?
Oh no, I was on my mom's insurance.
But I never ran into an issue with it, like what me not having my name on the insurance, like when I got
Yeah, neither.
They never said
No,
nothing.
it's not if you get stopped. If you,
So what's the issue? So
if she has an accident and she's not on insurance, you're liable for everything.
really?
For the damage to both, anything that you're liable for.
And New Jersey's different than Louisiana.
I'm like, okay, I'm about to
She's
try
from
to find the
Louisiana,
accident,
so-
and it never happened.
What part of it?
New Orleans.
Oh my God, I was telling him before, you see I'm a fat dude. I wouldn't
You gonna eat all day?
just because of the food.
Hey, girl. What you chewing on? What you chewing on?
Me and your mommy are gonna have a drink. You don't like that? No. You don't want us to have alcohol? No? Oh, okay. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Huh? Oh, those are cute. Is it good? Is it good?
Listen, you
It
gotta watch
tastes
the
so
regular
good.
Morgan.
I was watching. Lala, you can't eat the camera though.
Okay, what color can I get green again?
I like the green. I don't like that fake bleach worn look. Why are you holding the camera? We can't see your face. They can't see your face anymore. Jade. Look at her face. Look at her face. You can't eat it, Lala. She's like, give me the camera. Give me the camera. You can't eat the camera though. It's not food. Alana, you still breastfeeding her? Uh-huh, I could tell. The way she be grabbing for stuff, opens her mouth mad wide, like, nipple.
Unfortunate.
Oh.
Oh wait, look, more color. You still gonna record?
Yeah.
Oh, my hair is in a toy.
So you guys like my mom cut? Thank you. Whew. $2? Oh, you rich. Let's go to strip club. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Oh, yeah. Relax. Relax. Ooh. God damn it. So, Lala, what should Auntie get to drink? Should I have a mule? Should I have a daiquiri, blueberry lavender lemonade? Yeah, does that sound good? Ooh. Should I get a margarita? Should I have a margarita? Should I have a margarita? Should I have a margarita? Oh my god! Oh my god! I need.
Vloggy vlog. You want that? You want that?
Alright, go ahead.
Make sure no one take this.
No season.
My poor baby gonna swallow a season.
Did you put in my order for my sangria though? That's my question. She don't mind it. Look at her.
Some babies really don't.
My mom eats lemons. She wants more. Look at her. Look at her. Oh my gosh. You're like. You're like, is it good? Is there sugar on it? Like. She's like, wait. She really likes it. Like, really likes it. Like, like she.
Make sure no one.
The whole unicorn.
It's hard to walk on the beach with a stroller?
Yes. Yes. We could try, but you're gonna give up in 30 seconds. Cause the wheels that you gotta push, woo! She really is. Look at Lala on the beach. She don't even know. She don't even know. First of all, why does it look like a whole bunch of young people like drinking and chilling? They partying. Look, they waiting for people to move. Why they got two at the same time?
They need to figure out a process.
Right, because this is too much. It's too much. Where is the what is taking so long? She really sleep. Knock the fuck out. This is my last time going out before I move.
I'm not, wait, so you move not next week?
Wait, let me take a video. Do that one more time. Ready? Wait. Ready, set, go ahead.
Girl, she be making.
Go ahead.
Girl, she be making.
Lala.
Like you sound so good. I got a new little nephew, a great nephew. I can't even go.
You like the sand? Do you like the sand, Lala? Oh my gosh, are you gonna try to walk to me?
Let's see.
Are you trying to walk,
Oh,
boo?
look at that foot going in the front of the other one.
Oh my gosh!
First of all, we sound like moms.
That baby! Lala! Lala! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come on!
Okay.
Come on! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh, we got you! Oh my gosh!
Next time
Look
I'm
at
gonna
the
be
feet!
walking. Oh,
Look at the feet! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my, you're so smart!
So
You are so smart! You want to use TT? You're so smart! You are so You are so smart. You are so smart.
She's like, all right, y'all doing
Ready to go?
You ready to go to the dollar